Welcome you once again to our explanation of Sketchware blocks. So in this Sketchware blocks, the another episode. Before we go in, I believe you have watched the previous episode. The episode where we started from. Let me open it and show you. When you come to this place known as block, we started from variable, the lists. um in that variable we are able to cover two options like this, and in list we cover it also. So the next video before the last, I say that I will, in our next episode, which is this one, that I will go on I will be explaining this particular section known as control in Sketchware. So
Welcome to Unlimited Monies blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
so if you are like to open the control, you see you have some blocks here. Though these are not the only blocks that used to be in control. The blocks, some of those blocks, I've not seen it. Maybe it's because of the version of the Sketchware, or maybe they have updated, because I'm using the Sketchware Pro version, the version API 26. So this one of the block, because I didn't decided to create that block customly, so I will also add it to explain to you. If you have any block that you have not seen it in this um control or in this video, then you have it in your own, don't be hesitate to comment in the comment section and reach out with the to the Telegram channel with the block screenshot or image, so that, or the photo, sorry, so that I'll be able to explain to you about the particular block that you have seen in this very section of control in your own Sketchware app. So without wasting of any time, this one we are not to go dive into long protocol, because many of these blogs with their names already can explain the whole thing, but I want to emphasize you, or let me say improve that your advance or your knowledge also. So this particular block known as try and catch, this block is working like this. This block is something like, the first one is try. This try is like, if either these folders that are to be put inside there is getting is there is an error in that distance, so instead of the program to crash, for example, it may try to load a particular let's say file. Maybe you want to import, or you want to do something like music or video player or video viewer or folder from your device, or for any device, um, internal device that will read the folders that are in that file manager of that device, which your app or the app is installed into. So the try section known as to check if there is any error. It will try that first, try that one first. Just be like to say, try this one first. If this one is not compatible with this screen, then catch. This catch now comes in. You see about this catch here. This catch comes in. This catch means something like exception. Like if there is any error from this try, it should jump to this particular one, which is catch. Catch will now read the error and bring a text, maybe debug on the screen, that there is an error occur in this particular file, instead of the app to crash, to break down, to automatically close. So that's the use of this particular block known as try. This try, people normally use it in list view, like in case of let me say media player, or API, something like online lists, or something like file, in short, any uploading something like file media. So this is the use of, that's the use of try catch. So in JavaScript language, this catch is something like known as exception. You see e. So if I am to like to block it here, then I click on this code box here. When I click on this code box here, you will see the original language of this block, known as see try catch exception. This e that you see here is stand for error. So if there is any error, it will not give the read of the text. That's the meaning of this block that you see here. So another block we have here is known as repeats. This is also for lists, something like lists, no matter how it be. So why do we say repeats? The repeat of this thing is, for example, I have a block here. Let me pick a block here to give an explanation to this block, because I don't want to create a list in another file level, so that I will not distract the tutorial. If you see, like I always say, if you see the circle shape and circle shape value in any block, either regular block or whatever block, is known as, it stands for number. So this block shape itself is number block shape, like I said in the previous episode. So if you drag in this one into this place, see it accepted. So this particular block language known as repeats the length of this folder. You see now. So what is, if they like repeat the length of this folder, then you place in what it will do. So whatever thing that you want it to be, for example, if I want to take it to this particular place and I show you the original language of it, you will get it here. So it always repeat without stop. It always repeats. So it will repeat once it will refresh, it will repeat the length. Once it's refreshed, it will repeat the length. So that is how this one works. If you still need advanced knowledge in this particular block or any of the block explaining in this video, feel free to ask or to comment in the comment section. So another one we have forever. So like I said, the arrow is just like the repeats, but this one is to run without stopping, because it can only stop manually. Maybe you have the stop block. Unfortunately, we don't have the stop block here. There used to be a stop block in this section, control section. So like I said earlier, some of those blocks are not showing here. So there used to be stop block. You can create the stop block customly if you know about how to create custom block in Sketchware. So if you know about the JavaScript languages and how to use it in Sketchware, you can do it on Sketchware. So the thing is repeats without stop, forever repeats every time it's running. So the same thing, either you use it for let me say list view, or you use it for media player, or any of the option you want to use it for. So for example, if I want to show you the original language of this, this is something of you can use in C++, Java and JavaScript. So you see, if you want to see it there, because this is while truth, you can understand the language now. So but in block language we known as forever, but in the JavaScript language we see it while true. So this true means true is always stand. It does not change. It cannot change on itself except manually. So that's why it can be able to run everlasting without stopping. So that is the meaning of forever block. We have another block here in this first section. We have another block. Another block here is if then. You see it here, if then. This is obvious. People we regularly use this one in our Sketchware programming. This one always repeats as well. There's no way you will run your full let's say program of your app that you will not use this block. This block is if then. This block comes with command and boolean shape. You see, this block is command block itself, and this is the boolean let's say block value, because this block is number blocks, not for this something like boolean block. If I have, okay, let's see if I can take any boolean block here For example, I will not waste any time here. I can say okay equal to, or I can use true or false. Now something like this, let me go back to control. We are still working on control. I'm not going to operator first, but I will explain operator in the next video. So you see, this is true in the boolean, this is false in the boolean also. So this if then means if it is true, then something goes on, something can happen under here in this place. So you put what you may want it to work. For example, this is what we known as in form of variable. This in form of variable. You see the same language, what shows there is what is in the JavaScript language, does not change. It has the same language in JavaScript, in C++ and Java. So if you see this kind of block known as if something, in case you want to do anything like you want to go back button, or you want to open a particular section, or you want to show change screen or whatever thing, so you use the if block, if condition block, and do it. You have another block related to this same if condition, but there is something behind it, there is something miscellaneously attached to it. See it here known as, let me remove these things. So okay, I will like to use this boolean. I want to bring in this one. So okay, this block is like this. You see this one known as if yes, if false, then something happen here, else this thing happen here. How do you understand it? If this particular thing is true, if true, but you are not to use true directly here, because if you are using true directly, the JavaScript will not know what you're talking about true. You must have something you say. Okay, for example, let me go back to this command. I'm very sorry that I keep this thing like this. Okay, let me say let's say equal to, let me not use true again, equal to. So if I am to use equal to here, if I want to use equal to here, I say okay, this particular place known as if true, like for example now I want to say if 1, if 0 equals to, if 0 equal to 12. So this is the work of this place. It means that if 0 equal to 12, then something happen here, else. This else means if it is not equal to 12, let it still remain where it was, where it is. Let it still remain, or let it move to this place instead of where it's supposed to move if the 12 is okay. For example now this want to say if 0 equal to 12, let the screen turn to blue, else let the screen turn to white. So that is the same thing that you can use in this condition block. That is the one what I have here in control, because I didn't plan to put operator in this video. Well, we have covered the control block section, the explanation to those places. I don't know, like I said, if you have anyone that is in your own Sketchware, you want to know, then I'm unable to see it in my own, the what I can be able to bring it out, I have brought it to you, and you are not understand it for now. So if you have anyone in your own that I have not explained in this video, feel free to comment, bring the photo of it to our Telegram channel, and comment also that this is what you want to know about this one. I will be endeavor to help you with that. Thank you for watching the video. The video is helpful to you and will be helpful to other. Of course, don't be hesitant to share the video, share it, give that support so that it will reach other people also. Like the video. If you are not yet subscribed and you are new to the channel is well nice and good content. Click the notification bell, turn it on for new videos. Always check out our playlists for others of the videos that you may want to have knowledge from those videos. Thank you for watching the video. See you in our next episode.